Hey guys, let me welcome you back to the channel. My name's Justin and you're watching Survival Mindset. So we're at the camp today at Bullard's Bar. We got the LED lights on. They're working out just perfect. We got 33 feet and lighting up there, yes. Today on the menu, what we're going to be cooking, we got here kind of late. We got our setup done almost, you know, sunset's going down right now and everything. We ate a big lunch, so we're just going to be cooking skewers. My wife just prepared the skewers. They're going to be steak skewers with some veggies on them and stuff like that. So yeah, let's fire up that grill right now. Today's choice in beer is going to be from Mad River Brewing Company, the Steelhead Ale. And I do have the Tops Bartender Defender to crack this one open with. Oh yes. Cheers to all you YouTubers out there. First beer at the camp, delicious, awesome. My wife's drinking champagne over there. We're having a blast out here tonight. In a few minutes I'll be putting those shish kebabs on, and yeah, they're gonna be off the chain. Look at this big old beef skewer right here going on. Steak skewer, guys. Look at that. Look at this steak skewer going on right now. It's looking good. How is it, babe?
Awesome.
Pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good. Really good. Nice and tender. Awesome cook. I do want to thank you guys for tuning into the channel. We're going to have a bonfire. Thanks for watching. You're watching Survival Mindset. Peace out.